Guys, now remember the last like swimsuit type cover up thing that I did, and I told you guys I did not like that coverage. I didn't get the quite coverage that I was looking for, and it kind of had my boobs feeling restricted. So guys, to do that differently, so you'll cut out the panties of your swimsuit thing first, and then you do two of these, and with these you will have the ability to get that more sexy, cleavage type thing going, and you can crisscross and tie it. That's how I wanted the swimsuit to be, with more of the cleavage from this angle. So this is, I should have did it more like this than making it that one piece. I should have connected, the bottom piece to the top piece. So that's what you need to do, guys, if you want that better coverage. Okay, then. Bye-bye. Guys, so as you can see, the panties is ready. They're ready, ready, ready. So then, guys, you have a front and a back. So the front of the crotch is smaller than the back. So make sure when you're going to put these parts to it. So now, basically, these is the two parts that's going to cover the breast. So when we say right sides together, this is what I mean. Right sides together. And we're just going to tack this down, and then we're going to go pin it all the way around, and then we're going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to secure it. And then the back of the panties, or swimsuit, or whatever you want to call it, but to be honest, this is not really swimsuit fabric. I noticed like a lot of the fabric that the lovely wholesalers using is just like knit fabric. That's not swimsuit. Swimwear fabric is like a lacquer, more of a lacquer fabric. And when it get wet, it doesn't like show. This ain't the right type, but people can wear what they want to wear. But yeah, to be honest, like this one be considered real swimwear when you really look at it. But they call it that. So that's one side. Okay. Now I am about to do the other side. And then you take this side and pin it right here. So it's kind of like a crisscross a little bit. Right there. It's kind of like a crisscross. So now I'm just going to keep pinning it, guys. And I'm sew it on the sewing machine. When I come back, it'll be sewn. And if it fits, I'll try it on. If it don't, I'll just show you guys. Okay, bye. Hey guys, if you can see, this is the final result to that swimsuit thing I was working on. And this is the look that I was going for in the previous video, guys. I was more or less going for this look, to have it the crisscross like that. So if you guys want to achieve this, then you have to do it, sew it this way with the crisscross. And then if you want less cleavage, guys, crisscross it more cleavage, crisscross it less. But this is the trend that's going around, where they have they call them swimsuits, but I wouldn't consider it to be a swimsuit because it's not made with lacquer. It's just knit fabric. So they call it swimsuits and cover up, where they wear the jacket to cover it up. So this is the final look, guys. And I'm actually going to take this in more. That's why you see this little pouch, because I'm going to crisscross it more, because it had way much cleavage. What you want to say? Hi? Didn't say hi. Hey, but you want a swimsuit? Quick. Gino want a swimsuit. You want what? Huh? Stop. You want? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hey guys, so this is what it looked like. The look that I was going for, where I was going to put a pencil skirt on top of the other one. So if you guys see the white one, this is kind of what I was trying to achieve. So when you wear this and you have, this top on, you put on the pencil skirt. So if you guys get to the beach and you want to go in the water, and however, then you just pretty much take this off and you already have on your little cover up. So that's what I was trying to accomplish with the other one. But I had to one fabric way too tight, so I couldn't get the crisscross effect, guys. So yeah, so that is the final look. So if you guys want to make these DIY, look at the video previous to this and to show you how to put this number together. So thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Bye bye. These are a couple still shot, guys. So if you guys are interested in making this, look at the previous video before and you guys can create these. I more or less consider them leotards than swimsuits. Very sexy leotards. So you guys check out the previous video with the leotard and pencil skirt, and you guys can achieve this as well. Have an awesome day and make great sewing projects. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye, guys. God bless.